Hi guys, and welcome back to Food Basics Reinvented. I'm thrilled to share with you today one of my favorite dishes from Thailand, pad see ew. This delicious dish, also known as soy sauce stir fry, is a staple in Thai cuisine and is sure to transport your taste buds straight to the streets of Thailand. So join me today as I show you how to make this authentic dish in the comfort of your own home. Let's get started, and I promise you won't be disappointed. Pad see ew is a delicious and quick cooking Thai dish that's perfect for busy weeknight meals. However, it's important to note that because the cooking process happens quickly, it's crucial to have all of your ingredients prepared and ready before you begin. First step in making the pad see ew is to prepare the sauce. Use measuring spoons to ensure accuracy, and in a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give everything a quick mix. To summarize, you'll need 1 tablespoon of each ingredient to create the perfect pad see ew sauce. Put the sauce on the side, and let's talk noodles. Pad see ew is traditionally made with white rice noodles. These noodles are thin and cook quickly, becoming soft, chewy, and delicious once done. It's important to note that if you boil these rice noodles too far in advance before cooking the pad see ew, they can become sticky and ruin the dish. So my tip for you is to boil them for just 5 minutes before starting the cooking process. This way, the noodles will cook perfectly and enhance the overall taste of the dish. In a medium-sized bowl, add 100 grams of rice noodles. Boil enough water to cover the noodles and pour it over the noodles. Use a spoon to submerge all of the noodles and set the bowl aside until the noodles are softened. Next, we'll be using some garlic to add an amazing flavor to the dish. When making pad see ew, it's important not to press the garlic, because doing so will cause it to burn and add undesirable bitterness. Chop 2 cloves of garlic and set them aside, then grab 2 stems of gailan, which is also known as Chinese broccoli. This ingredient can be found at most grocery stores in North America. Cut the bottom of the stem and the leafy part in 2, then split the bottom in half. These bottoms are very delicious and taste similar to regular broccoli, but they are thicker, so splitting them will make cooking easier and faster. Set the prepared gailan aside as well, and now that all of our ingredients are prepared, we're ready to start cooking. Grab your trusty wok, place it on the stove and turn on the heat. Then add a good drizzle of avocado oil. Add the garlic, followed immediately by the shrimp. It's important to be quick at this step, as if you saute the garlic for too long before adding the shrimp, it will burn and add bitterness to the dish. Pad see ew can be made with shrimp, beef, or chicken. Today, I'm using shrimp. But if you're interested in learning how to make chicken pad see ew, make sure to check one of my other videos dedicated to that recipe, which I will link at the end of this episode. And in the upcoming weeks, I'll be posting another video on how to make an incredibly delicious beef pad see ew, so stay tuned for that one as well. Use a wok spatula if you have one, and cook the shrimp on medium-high heat to give it an amazing sear and a beautiful orange color. Once the shrimp is 90% cooked through, toss in the bottoms of the gailan stems and saute for a few seconds. Then add the gailan leaves and mix everything for 5 seconds. Use the spatula to move everything to one side of the wok and add more avocado oil. Crack an egg and fry it. Use the tip of the spatula to mix the egg white with the egg yolk. Once the egg is 90% cooked, mix it with the shrimp and gailan and continue cooking for a few seconds until the egg is fully cooked. Scoop everything into a deep dish or a bowl, then wipe down the wok with a clean towel. Now, turn on the heat one more time and add a drizzle of avocado oil. When the oil is heated, drain the noodles using a spider skimmer and add them to the wok. This is where things get really exciting, because you'll need to use high heat to char the noodles, giving them this authentic Asian street food flavor, and that's where the wok shines. Once the rice noodles are charred, add the prepared pad see ew sauce. In a few seconds, the sauce will start boiling quickly, and the sugar in the sauce will caramelize, adding a touch of sweetness to the dish. Toss the cooked shrimp, gailan, and egg, and then mix everything together. Just continue cooking for about 10 seconds on high heat. Then serve on your favorite plate, and the pad see ew will be ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, guys, a delicious plate of authentic Thai shrimp pad see ew at the comfort of your home. As a final touch, I always like to sprinkle some chili flakes on top of the pad see ew, which will add a bit of heat and elevate the flavor to a whole new level. To tell you the truth, my kitchen is filled with an incredible aroma of this pad see ew, and I feel that I've been teleported to a street in Bangkok, waiting at a restaurant to enjoy my favorite dish. Just look at how beautiful this dish is. Before it gets cold, I'm gonna use my chopsticks to take my first bite. First, I'll try the gailan. It tastes so fresh and it's perfectly crunchy, just how I like it. This dish is truly amazing, guys, and I know you're gonna love it from the first bite. Now, let's take a look at these rice noodles. They are chewy and have a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and a touch of sour from the sauce. The shrimp is also cooked to perfection, and it has an incredible orange color, which makes me want to take it away and enjoy it in front of my favorite movie. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Food Basics Reinvented. Please try this recipe and tell me your opinion in the comments below or on Food Basics Reinvented Facebook and Instagram pages. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit!